We have a problem.
Let's touch it. Hey, what's up guys? We're back today and hubs are dry, but we've got a problem with this exhaust. So this exhaust sits here, right there on this side, and if you come over to the opposite side, look where that sits. We've got to move this exhaust back this way a couple inches. We'll cut it, notch it out right there, slant it back, re-weld it, and that should fix the problem. We got the new tires mounted. He's got them all cleaned up. He's just putting the center caps on it right now. Okay, I'm gonna throw this wheel on right here real quick, but I can almost guarantee it's gonna hit that. But we're still gonna throw it on because my dad went outside to clean the other ones, and I'm gonna sneak and put this one on without him knowing.
Just like I thought.
Let's touch it. I mean, obviously the tire's got to go up in the fender well, but ooh, we're close there as well. These might not work. He's not gonna like to hear that.
We have a problem.
It won't be bad once you set it down. The rail will move back.
Will it?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll move clear back.
Just because of the leaf spring purchase? Yep. Oh, okay. Let's see.
Yeah, it'll move back anyways.
That needs to still be pulled out to here.
Yep.
Looks good. Had me concerned for a minute.
Yep.
There's one on. Okay, we'll get the other three on. We'll start cutting this exhaust, and then we'll take this thing for a burn and see how these tires are. Okay. Those are tight. Oh, let's get this exhaust fixed. Okay.
You probably better use the die grinder.
Alright, the rest of it we'll do with the die grinder right at the very edge. Look at that.
Just like you wanted.
Why do we always grab stuff that's hot? Okay, now we should be able to take this.
That right there.
Man, look, I think we got it.
I do too.
Right there. What do you think of that?
That's better.
Tack weld the hanger here and a hanger here just to brace that thing good so we don't hit the tire. All right, we got the new straps put in on the exhaust. She's good to go. Strap there. We shortened that up to where we brought it forward a little bit, where it's all uniform now with the other side. So the exhaust dumps down the tire. We did have it coming straight out, but then when he was driving it, he could smell it in the cab. So I mean, now it just jumps down at the tire and we got street sweepers. So we're gonna bring it down off the lift, fire it up, maybe take it for a ride. Looks great. Little wider tires on the rear. I'm liking the wideness of those tires. I like it. I think it's gonna ride great. I'm excited. What do you guys say we go for a ride in? Lottie, come here. Lottie, come here. Get out of the way. Lottie. Dog. And she's got a death wish. There it is. Looks good. Okay, let's go take it for a ride. Okay, here we go. Sounds good.
Sounds a lot better, don't it?
Yeah, it sounds good. Runs better too.
Yeah, it does.
Right in front of you.
Oh yeah, they don't give a oops. Don't give a shit.
Makes you mad. Idiots. A lot of idiots that are in I don't know if it's just the state of
It's
Utah.
everywhere.
Let's hear you guys. Let's hear your guys' status. Is it just Utah or is it everywhere?
It's everywhere.
And the roads suck here too. Well, I guess that concludes our panel wagon mess around for the week. We got a couple more things that we want to do to this in the future. We just have to got a lot of work in between, so we'll get some parts ordered and we'll see you guys at the car show.